In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the default new tab in Google Chrome to any URL. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for Chrome Web Store so you can find the extension quickly. Once you are in the Chrome Web Store, look for the extension named New Tab Redirect. Next, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a confirmation prompt asking if you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension to continue. After the installation is complete, Chrome will usually open the extension settings page automatically. If the settings page does not open on its own, that is fine. You can open it manually. Go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the extensions icon, which looks like a small puzzle piece. From there, find New Tab Redirect and open its options page. Once you are on the settings page, you will see a box where you can enter a web address. Type or paste the full URL of the website you want to use as your new tab page. For example, you can enter a search engine homepage, a productivity dashboard, or even a local start page if that is what you prefer. Be careful to enter the address correctly, including the beginning of the URL if needed, so the redirect works properly. After you enter your desired URL, the extension will use that address for future new tabs. This means that every time you open a new tab in Chrome, it should load the page you selected instead of the default Chrome page. That covers everything you need to know.